learners! Welcome back! Today, we're going to learn how to brush our teeth the right way. Look, our friend Smiley Tooth is here to help us. Are you ready? Let's brush our teeth together. Before we begin, let's get everything we need. We need a toothbrush, toothpaste, a cup, and clean water. Awesome! Now we're ready. First, wet your toothbrush. Turn on the water. Now wet your toothbrush. Just a little water is enough. Great job! Next, put toothpaste. Squeeze a small amount of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Not too much. A pea-sized amount is just right. Perfect! Now let's brush the back teeth. These teeth help us chew our food. Brush them gently. Don't forget both sides. Yes, that's right! Excellent! Brush the front teeth. Brush gently. Move your toothbrush in little circles. Brush the top and bottom front teeth. Keep smiling. Now, brush the tops of your teeth. Move the toothbrush back and forth. Brush every chewing surface. Wonderful! Don't forget your tongue. Gently brush your tongue. This helps remove germs and keeps your breath fresh. Awesome brushing! Now take some clean water. Swish it around your mouth and spit it out. Great job! Now spit out the water. Look at your beautiful smile! Your teeth are nice and clean. Smile big! Fantastic! Remember to brush your teeth every morning and every night before bedtime. Brushing twice a day helps keep your teeth healthy. After brushing, wash your toothbrush with clean water. Stand it upright so it can dry. A clean toothbrush helps keep your mouth healthy. Healthy foods help make your teeth strong. Eat fruits, vegetables, and drink milk. Try to eat fewer sugary snacks and candies. Your teeth will thank you. It's quiz time. Let's see if you remember everything. What do we put on our toothbrush? Is it a toothpaste? Is it a cup? Or is it a soap? What do you think? The correct answer is toothpaste. Great job! When should we brush our teeth? Is it morning? Is it night? Or maybe morning and night? Can you remember? The correct answer is morning and night. Excellent! Should we brush our tongue? Yes or no? What's your answer? The correct answer is yes! Brushing your tongue helps keep your breath fresh. Which food is good for healthy teeth? Is it candy or apple and vegetables? Maybe soda? Think about it. The correct answer is apples and vegetables. Healthy foods help keep our teeth strong. Amazing job, little learners. You did a fantastic job answering the questions. Keep brushing your teeth every morning and every night. See you in our next learning adventure.